Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt cozy, energized, relaxed, or even inspired? Chances are the lighting had a lot to do with it. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in interior decorating because it doesn't just help you see a space, it completely shapes the mood, atmosphere, and functionality of your home. Hi, I'm Kiara Ayana, and today I'm diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, lighting and how it completely transforms your space. So first up, let me talk about floor lighting. I've got this gorgeous reading lamp from Glowrium, and one thing that I love about this lamp is that it's adjustable. You can switch it from a cool tone to a warm glow depending on the vibe that you're going for. It's perfect for reading, relaxing, or just creating an overall cozy atmosphere. And for a little tech magic, I've integrated Alexa smart lighting into this chic, all-modern tripod lamp. Me and Alexa go together real bad. She controls my entryway lamp, my bedroom wall sconces, and these all serve as ambient lighting. So I can dim them, I can change the colors, I can adjust the mood of my home completely with hands-free control. Up next, let's talk about ceiling lighting. I was sent these beautiful Glowrium glow plant lights that I've just been loving. Not only do they help create this beautiful, subtle ceiling glow, but they're actually super beginner friendly for plant parents like myself. And they help monitor watering cycles and they support the overall plant health, which honestly makes taking care of a plant way less intimidating. I also have these slick puck lights that I got from IKEA that brighten up the whole room while still keeping that clean, minimalist look. This here is one of my ceiling faves. These are strip lights from Lumary Blaze. I'm using one set in my kitchen and one set on the patio. Both were incredibly easy to install using just the included 3M adhesive tape. No complicated setup at all. And what makes them even cooler is that they support voice control and music synchronization. So the lights can react to your music and completely change the vibe of your home. The patio just feels so lively at night, and it adds the perfect soft glow for late night snack runs without turning on those harsh overhead lights. Next, let's talk about color temperature, because this is such an important part of designing a space. Warm lighting creates a cozy, calming atmosphere, which is why it works so well in living rooms and bedrooms. The cool lighting feels brighter and energizing, making it ideal for spaces like your kitchen, your office, where you need that visibility and that focus. For the patio, I keep my Lumary Blaze strip lights setting on a cool temperature so that the space continues to feel fresh, vibrant, and inviting even after dark. In the living room and in the bedroom, I lean more into like those warmer tones, using my Glowrium reading lamp and my Alexa controlled sconces to create like that cozy movie night vibe. And in the kitchen, I prefer more of like that crisp, neutral, cool light because it keeps the space just feeling clean, bright, and functional. So, by understanding color temperature and layering different types of lighting throughout your home, you can completely transform both the function and the feeling of a space. Whether it's floor lamps, plant lighting, ceiling fixtures, smart LED strips, lighting really is just one of the easiest ways to elevate your home and make it feel more personal and vibey. Let me know which lighting setup was your favorite, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.